season is on and here's how you can get healthy and glowing skin in just 3 steps. First step is skin cleansing, for which I am using the Zobha Gluta Face Wash, which contains glutathione, vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acid. It has a richly creamy texture that helps to remove dirt and impurities, reduces blemishes and improves skin elasticity without irritating the skin, giving a radiant, refreshed and healthy looking skin. Step 2 is a serum, for which I am using the Zobha Gluta Glam Serum, which is enriched with Tyrostat and Sepiwhite, which are designed to enhance skin radiance by limiting melanin production and by brightening and evening out the skin tone. The third and the most important step is moisturization, for which I use the Zobha Gellup Moisturizing Cream. It has an extremely lightweight and non-greasy formula that maintains skin balance, promoting its health and vitality. This intensively moisturizes dry and flaky skin, making it softer and supple, and also helps to repair damaged skin barrier. So hurry up and get yours now.